The first feature I'd like to talk about starts with the first thing you see when you look at the receiver, and that's the screen itself. Inside of the screen, we've implemented a technology called optical bonding. Now what optical bonding is it's where we fill the gap that's traditionally found in between the inner and outer layer of the LCD panel itself. When we fill this gap, it benefits us in a variety of different ways. For example, those bright sunny days. With this optical bonding process, that inner layer being filled actually prevents a lot of that sunlight dropout that you've experienced. So this means that on those bright sunny days, you won't have to struggle to see the screen on your favorite Kenwood receiver. But one thing in particular that's special about the 10.1 receiver is it allows you to have our new CMOS 740 HD camera for both front and rear inputs. So this means that regardless of whether we're parking or backing up, we'll have the best offered visibility by utilizing our CMOS 740 HD for both that front and rear camera inputs, ultimately allowing us to see things better, such as here in this video for example. Notice how the bushes are easier on the left-hand side. We can even make out the license plate and see what those numbers are. Or if we go all the way up to this top right corner, you'll notice we can see the company logo at the top of the building, whereas on this other camera view, we cannot. Offering you the best, safest option. Now besides our 10.1-inch receivers with an optically bonded high-definition capacitive display, we also offer several 6.8-inch models which feature a traditional high-definition capacitive display. These receivers feature all the benefits of our traditional capacitive touch panels, but the high-definition feature steps up from a 480p pixel count to a 720p pixel count, effectively making the image 3 times clearer and thus also providing support for our CMOS 740 HD backup camera. These HD monitors also feature better brightness, contrast, and viewing angles, along with a protective film for anti-fingerprint, anti-reflection, anti-glare, and anti-shatter. We'll discuss traditional capacitive touch panel screens in the next tutorial.